Hi, today I'm going to guide you through setting up this Reader3. To summarize, this Reader3 is an open source repo by Andrej Karpathy, where you can see your favorite EPUB like in chapter to chapter mode, and you can also easily copy paste to your favorite LLM. Okay, so let's get started. So at first we have to copy this link of the repo to clone it. Then you can simply go to your favorite terminal and type this, okay, in the location that you like. So you just go there, and I have already done it, so I will just guide you through. So after you simply clone this, then you'll have a folder on your local. So from there, so here I have already downloaded this ALLM3 in Reader3. The full repo has already been downloaded. Then you can simply go inside the repo. Okay, so and as per the guidance below, so you just have to uh, uh, set this run this command here. Okay, so you might get the error of not getting UV. So UV is a package that has been used here. So it's a Python package, so you just have to come to this website of setting up UV. So for the Windows, mine is Windows. So I tried with this command, but it didn't work. And for if you are in Mac or Linux, then you can use this command. So how I installed was by going to the installation page and by installing via PEEP. Okay, because if you know there is a PEEP on your device or not, by writing pip PEEP, or if you have pipx installed, then there you can go there. Or if the UV is installed, then you can just type UV, then you will get this result. Okay, so accordingly you have to move on. So at first you have to make sure that UV is installed on your device. So nextly, you can download your favorite EPUB after your UV is installed, and make sure that you have already done it. Then you just go to here. This is the sample book that he has provided, so you can download this from your read now and download here somewhere. Okay, so or your favorite EPUB anything. So I have downloaded my favorite EPUB like from, sorry, what is this? I don't know where is it going. So I have downloaded this by coding EPUB, my favorite one, which I am reading currently. Then I just edited that into by coding. I like dropped this inside this folder. Then I edited the name. Then what I did was like I just wrote this command. Okay, uv run reader3 pi this in and write your EPUB name. Then it generates this folder, okay, where the data is stored. This is a local library of the of the book you are reading. Then you can simply run the server below by running this command uv run server.py, and it's very simple that you will get to see this. Okay, it's very simple. Now you can just come here and read your favorite book, and just let me go to one chapter, and you can just copy here if you need anything. Okay, so it's very simple. You can just copy here, and we can feed it to your favorite LLM. Okay, I'll just copy it and just paste it here and tell it, so explain the major points of this chapter. So it's so easy, right? So while reading EPUB, it gets tough, but Andrej Karpathy has solved our problem. So he helped us with this amazing repo. Okay, so let's give him a star as well. So yeah, hopefully this will help you. So if anything, just let me know down in the comment section below. Okay, bye bye, good night.